answering your online questions, and someone out there has a sweet tooth. The question is, what can I do with whipped cream? What is something different? Give me a neat idea. How about flavored whipped cream? And the fun part about this is you can pick your favorite flavor, whether it's chocolate, lemon, almond, peppermint. Choose your favorite and let's begin. All you need is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You're gonna add that to 1/2 cup of sifted powdered sugar or confection sugar. It's the same, but no lumps, so sift it. Make sure it's nice and fine. And then you're gonna add your favorite flavor. Since mine is peppermint, we're gonna go ahead and use 1/8 of a teaspoon of pure peppermint extract. Beat that together until it forms high peaks, and use this on all your favorite desserts. Sometimes I like to eat it on its own. Enjoy.